Happy National Tap Dance Day, everybody. You're gonna get a tap dance combination from me, so here we go. So the first step to the combination is a shuffle toe heel with your right foot. Shuffle, toe, heel. Now step with your left foot and drag your right foot to the side, like that. And now we do a crawl with our right foot, toe, heel, toe, and get the left toes ready to brush. Brush, step, ball, change. Let's do the whole first phrase, then we'll move on to the second one. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle, toe, heel, step, and drag. Toe, heel, toe, brush, step, ball, change. For the second phrase, we do bombershays. We go to the right, step, brush, step, brush, ball, change. And now to the left, step, brush, brush, ball, change. So now let's do both parts together. 5, 6, 7, 8, and shuffle, toe, heel, step, and drag. Toe, heel, toe, brush, step, ball, change, and step, brush, brush, ball, change. Step, brush, brush, ball, change. 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and make sure to let me know in the comments if you have any suggestions of things you'd like to learn next. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.